Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my channel, Techie Krish. So we have already discussed binary files, and we have started binary files, writing binary files, and reading the binary files. So in the last program, we have created the binary file, and we have uh, read the information stored on the binary file. And this time I'm going to read the file using the exception method so that uh, as soon as any exception is generated, program should end. And after this, I'll try to append the information to the binary file. So without wasting much time on the discussion, we are moving towards our program, or you can say the ideally. So, so in the last program, we have created a program using WB mode. WB mode means you are going to write the binary file in, uh, uh, write the information in onto the binary file, and using the WB mode. WB mode means W for writing and B for binary. So this is the program where you must have observed that records is a list, and we have initialized this list before creating the file. Okay, and inside this loop, inside while loop, I have taken three fields: roll number, name, marks. And after taking the values of roll number, name, and marks, we have composed a temporary list, that is rec. And all these fields are composed or stored in this list. And after creating this list, we have appended this list to the main list, that is records. And when we say yes, it will keep on taking the records. And when you say no, it will dump all those records onto the binary file. So we'll run this program, we'll run this function again, and we'll try to see, read the program, rather read the binary file in which we are storing the records. So पहले हम इसको देख लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे append की और उसके साथ साथ exception handling की. So here, if you see, if I run this program, you will see the previous data which is already stored. So this is the program. And if I run the function write data again, the old information goes off and new information it stores onto the binary file. So here this is, and as soon as you say run in the binary file, 101 RAM marks say 65, and yes, 102 name Sumita, marks 76, yes, 103 Rahul Sharma, marks say 90, yes, 104 Sashi Kumari, marks 98, and say no. Now see, the second program, that is second function read data. So this is this data is entered through write data function, and after write data we have immediately call function read data. So uh, see, these are the list. These are the list. So one record is in the list, second record is in the list. So On the whole, if you see, this complete record is the list of the lists. Okay, fine. So as I have told you that I'll use exception handling here. तो क्या करना है एक्सेप्शन हैंडलिंग में, हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे कि ये जो डेटा है इसको हम एक्सेप्शन में यूज़ करें, ट्राई एंड एक्सेप्ट यूज़ करेंगे, और फिर चेक करते हैं कि ये इसका जो डेटा है एग्ज़ाम डॉट डेट का वो आता है या नहीं आता है या कोई एरर देता है। तो किस तरीके से हम ट्राई एंड एक्सेप्ट यूज़ करके इस डेटा को प्रिंट कराते हैं, जरा देखते हैं। सो आई एम टेकिंग वाइल ट्रू, then try, then सेम, मैं कुछ भी चेंज नहीं कर रहा, मैंने कुछ भी चेंज नहीं किया है, केवल इंडेंट किया है एंड प्रिंट करने के बाद, और मैंने क्या किया कि अब क्योंकि डेटा मेरा प्रिंट हो गया, अब उसके बाद मैं यूज करूंगा एक्सेप्ट, एक्सेप्ट एंड फाइल error. So this is the exception handling. As soon as any error is encountered, it will automatically break the process. So I am giving here break. So this is now reading the data from exam.dat using try and accept, means exception handling. And this time not going to I'm not going to write the data, and simply I am going to print the data. देखते हैं कि ये वर्क करता है कि नहीं करता है। सो ये रहा आपका डेटा। सो यहाँ पर हमने जो डेटा दिया है वो जो, क्योंकि हमने 4 रिकॉर्ड्स ही एंटर किए थे, 4 के 4 रिकॉर्ड्स यूजिंग एक्सेप्शन हैंडलिंग यहाँ पर दिखाई दे रहे हैं। ठीक है, एक्सेप्शन हैंडलिंग में हमने क्या किया है, बस वी हैव पुट द एंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ रीडिंग द डेटा फ्रॉम the binary file within try and accept code or block. Okay, so this way we can see that we can use exception handling to read the information from the binary file. And now this time I'm going to tell you how to append the data. So we need not to do more, because in place of WB, B means writing binary information from various cache, and this time I'm going to use AB. A matlab append and B for binary, and nothing much I am going to change. The same writing data or writing information onto binary file, I am using that only. And this time what I am going to do, I'm not I'll create the new function. I'm going to create the new function, and the function name is dev app data. And in place of WB, I'll use A, and nothing much I'm going to change here. Okay. So over here, again, I'm going to run that reading program, reading function, so that I can make sure that the old information is this. So this is old information. Now we are adding new records. So इसका मतलब ये है कि मुझे यहाँ पर यूज करना पड़ेगा print adding data to the file, and in place of app data. or you can say the append information, app data. So will not take much or many records. I'll take more, not more than two records. Roll number 105, Raman Sharma, and marks 66. One more record I am taking. Roll number 106, name Suhani Saxena, and marks are 100, and say no. So see here, these two records, Raman Sharma and Suhani Saxena, these two records are added using append board. And we have read the entire information using try and accept exception, and you must have noticed that there is no error at all. So hope you understand the concept of append data and the concept of try and accept. So we'll do more programs on try and accept in our next videos. So hope you have no problem, and if you have the problem, kindly write it in the description box. So I'll try to resolve your problem, and so we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.